Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. It's Food Friday, and I am going to be sharing with you some fresh homemade pizza. We're going to start off by showing you the ingredients that we are going to be using. I'm only going to season one meat. Now I have some Food Lion mozzarella cheese and a 5-cheese Italian style blend, okay? And this is that fancy shredded one, all right? And so in the 5-cheese Italian style blend, you have your mozzarella, you have your provolone with natural smoke flavor, Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano cheese. And we're going to use some artisan flatbread today. This is the stone oven baked kind, okay? And 2 comes in pack. So we're going to be making 3 pizzas. And I have some Recipe Essentials sweet Italian sausage. Now that will be for my son. And then I have some Food Lion brand pepperoni Italian style. And so we have a guest over today, which is my son's best friend. That's for him. And then I have some chicken breast that's boneless, and that is going to be the meat of my choice. Now, but my veggies, I have some green bell pepper, tomato, and red onion, as well as some sliced baby bella mushrooms. And I have the Bertolli traditional marinara sauce. I absolutely love that. And so I'm going to season up with the natural seasoning, accent lime and orange pepper, and then the lime cilantro pepper by Badia. And I'm going to season up the chicken with that. Now, off camera, I went ahead and got everything prepped so that this video will flow smoothly. Here is the pepperoni, and this is my son's son's friend Jason's flatbread. These are the veggies already ready to go, marinara ready to go, the cheese, I blended them together, and this will be my son's. And so that's the sausage already cooked, as well as the chicken. So I called these 2 fellas down so that they can go ahead and prepare their pizzas their way. So sit back and relax and see how they put their pizzas together, and then I'll come back and put mine together. So keep on watching. Now, as they finish going ahead and putting their toppings on, the oven is preheated at 425. And we're going to allow these to bake off for about 10 minutes. I'm going to throw these in the oven at the same time, and then I'm going to get started on mine. Now, while mine's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get theirs sliced. I think it turned out really, really nice, and nice and crispy as well. So the guys said that they absolutely loved it. They loved the marinara sauce, and yeah, Jason ate his whole one, and Ramel left 1 slice. Now, we did have wings as well. They didn't even eat the wings, but nevertheless, I was so glad that the pizza was nice and filling for them to have for a nice lunch for us today. So keep on watching to see how I put mine together. And do you make your own pizzas at home? Now, of course, sometimes I like doing the dough, but sometimes I like to take it nice and make it nice and simple and easy for myself, and just using this flatbread because it has a really, really good taste to it. So keep on watching. All right, so as you can see, the pizza is fully loaded. Yes, I love a pizza with lots of vegetables, as well as at least 2 meats on my pizza, but sometimes 1 is enough, but I love lots of veggies. And I did allow this to bake for about 12 minutes because I wanted to make sure that the mushrooms were tender, as well as the onions and the bell pepper. The tomato is already tender, so I just wanted to make sure that those other 3 veggies wasn't too soft, but then wasn't crunchy as well. All right, and so I'm just going to get this sliced up, and we're going to get it plated with a few hot wings and some ranch dressing for dipping, not just for the wings, but for the pizza as well. We love dipping our pizza in ranch dressing around here for the party of 3. And then it was so funny because Jason enjoyed it as well. And yeah, we had a really, really good hearty lunch. Now I only ate 2 slices of my pizza, and I had 2 wings because I knew that I was going to allow this to be dinner for me as well. Now, my greedy son, he's going to have leftovers from the 4th of July. All right, he's going to have leftovers from yesterday. I actually have some chicken left and some hamburgers left, so that's what he's going to eat. So if you've enjoyed this video today, thumbs it up. We can chat about what it is that you do like. If this is your type of content, subscribe, hit the bell as well. Let's take a final look, y'all. Keep on watching.